Go on. Show everyone how you can do it. Come on. Come on, Caitlin. You can do it. Hi. Hi, pretty. Hello. Why don't you roll over for everybody? Yeah, I know you can do it. Go on. Go on, you're almost there. Oh, don't give up. Yay! Yay! You finally learned to roll over. You're so pretty and you're so smart. Hi, sweetheart. I love you. Say bye-bye.